Has the Lord brought you a mighty long way? We just want you to give me a little rock. Sing with me. Say mighty long way. A mighty long. Sing it long. Say mighty long. Let me hear you sing it now. Whoa, 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 you're mighty. Look where you brought me from. Let's go. Say mighty long way, Lord. How mighty long way. Oh, Jesus, no, a mighty long way, Lord. Mighty long way. Let me hear you sing, say mighty long way, Lord. How mighty long way. Say look where you brought me from. Mighty long way. One next one say, Rev. Somebody touch me. Somebody touch me. Say, somebody touch my. Say, while I was praying to Jesus, somebody touch my soul. See when Israel out of bondage, I see before them the Lord reach out His mighty and roar the sea. I need to hear now. Say, then Paul was there, take the whole gonna be lost, Lord Jesus, see we are conquering, we will push ahead and roll the sea. See Jesus rolled up, He rolled up, my Jesus rolled up, He rolled the sea, He rolled up. Say in this life, my trials are many, and at times my feet go weary, and it seems I almost stumble. And contact your hand that leads me. Say, it's the hand that keeps me steady. He gives me grace that I could. I need to hear you. Say after all this life is over. Spanish already now. Whoa! From Pioneer, from Pioneer. Say after all this life is over, and my burden have been lifted. Say I will before the mountains of Say looking over in the city where my Savior is preparing. He gives me grace that I could make it as a home. Listen, see, as I travel through this pilgrim, there is a friend who let me go down me one leads me safely through the city. He is the Christ on Calvary. You know what's no noise? See, this could be my burden to help me do this. I can see for I eager to sing blessed. Lift your voice and sing blessed Jesus, hold my hand.